The government has ruled out any immediate plans to carry out COVID-19 vaccine trials in Kenya. The statement from Health CS Rashid Aman came amid public outrage over reports that British scientists were considering Kenya as a testing ground for a newly developed vaccine. Pamela Asigi reports on the controversy that followed the beginning of the first human trials of the vaccine at Oxford University.
For months, scientists at the world-famous Oxford University have been studying the new coronavirus that has grounded economies and health systems around the world. And now they are confident that they could well be on the way to finding the first effective vaccine. 2 volunteers, both scientists, were among the first people in the world to get the jab. Edward O'Neill and Elisa Granato are among more than 800 people recruited for the study.
I think you can never fully exclude any sort of potential risk, but I think you have to, walk in faith in these things. You have to trust in that the work has been done as best they can, and know that the cause is important. And so you just have to walk in faith in that.
Well, I'm a scientist, so of course I want to try and support science, the scientific process whenever I can. And since I don't study viruses, I felt a bit useless these days, so I felt like this is a very easy way for me to support the cause.
The scientist in charge of the project says she was very optimistic it will be a success.
I'm very optimistic it's going to work. Formally, we are testing it in an efficacy study, and we have to find out if it works. There's absolutely no suggestion we're going to start using this vaccine in a wider population before we've demonstrated that it actually works and stops getting people infected with coronavirus.
But amid the optimism, an interview on BBC soon after the trials began appears to have rubbed many Kenyans the wrong way.
If they don't get early, quick results in the UK, they're considering a trial in Kenya where the epidemic of coronavirus may well be on the rise.
But the government says there are no such plans.
As a government, we are not aware at all about the interest of this team to come and work with the government of Kenya in testing this vaccine. We are not aware. There are proper laid down procedures, rigorous procedures of review, ethical review, and approvals of any clinical trials whatsoever.
The race for a vaccine has been fueled by the shortage of options for treating the disease. As many as 100 potential COVID-19 candidate vaccines are now under development by biotech and research teams around the world. And at least 5 of these are in preliminary testing in people in what is known as Phase 1 clinical trials. Pamela Asigi, Citizen TV.